This is Shelley Craft coming to you live on SNN Live. We're at the Growth Capital Expo 2014 right here in Las Vegas. I have with me Joy Schaffler, a speaker at the conference, and she's from Leverage PR. Welcome to SNN Live.
Thank you so much for allowing me to be here today, Shelley. It's quite an honor.
Good to have you. Let's get right into it. Tell us what you do.
Absolutely. So Leverage PR works with companies within the financial services industry. We do a lot with financial technology companies especially. So very high-end PR to really elevate the brand of the companies. High-end media placement, working with phenomenal publications like yours. Just helping to tell their story and get stories that show the value of their companies and really build value.
You know, what you do is so important to these companies. Sometimes they don't always recognize the fact that they need it as much as they do, but the ones that know they need it, they're so wonderful to work with, and it makes your life easier. Am I correct?
That is absolutely correct. We've been so honored to just represent some phenomenal companies out there, and you know, we really believe that we're helping a company to tell their story, and who you tell your story to and how you tell it is the most important thing that you can do. My background is in private equity. I was a private equity firm director before launching Leverage PR and worked with a lot of growth stage companies that were raising capital. So I was very active. I was on the buy side. I rose quite a bit of capital, and what I really found was if you have an effective message and you're telling your message to the right audience, you can grow your company in a very phenomenal and stable way and actually produce something of value.
Let me ask you a question. You're probably the perfect person to describe the difference between IR and PR.
Absolutely. So investor relations, you know, it's gotten a bad regard in some ways, you know, that kind of the pump and dump of just going out there to try to generate buzz to increase the value of a stock and then dump it real quick. We don't do that in any way whatsoever. What we do is traditional PR. We've gotten clients a lot of placements on Wall Street Journal, New York Times, Private Equity World, you know, just really high-end, phenomenal publications. I believe we've worked with your organization and actually have an op-ed that is on your guys' website right now, working with Brett. So, you know, really looking for those high quality public, rather high quality publications that are speaking to your audience. So we've had clients who have had investor signups on their site, and it has resulted in some investor relations just because it's telling a good story that's compelling and helps people to take that action, but it's all about the story.
So when you get a new client, when does the rubber meet the road?
Absolutely. So I didn't come from kind of the large PR world. I came from a private equity firm. We were 4 people. We grew to 75 in a year and a half, made the Inc. list twice. You know, I've been involved in that real high pressure kind of startup financial services and environment. So we don't spend a lot of time meandering. We really get to the point and typically get coverage for clients after about 3-week period, start that process.
That's excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get her website.
I'm with Leverage PR, www.leverage-pr.com.
What are you speaking about on the panel today?
So I sit on the board of CIFRA, which is a lobbying organization for the Jobs Act kind of regulatory environment, crowdfunding, if you will. It's more the securities-based side of crowdfunding. I wrote a book that came out with Wiley and Bloomberg that I'm a co-author of that book called The Ultimate Guide to Crowdfunding, how to raise money on the internet. And so, you know, I'm speaking on crowdfunding for securities.
Gentlemen, I'm Shelley Craft from SNN Live. This is the Growth Capital Expo 2014 in Las Vegas. Thank you so much for coming on to SNN.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.